Okay, so you've seen heaps of pros on the net, I'm sure, changing tyres. So this is not that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I change a tyre as a semi kind of new person to the sport. Basically, I want to change my rally tyres out and put my road tyres back on because there's going to be a few weeks before I can get back onto the dirt. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Socket, my 22mm spanner with the extension, and the 27mm, that's the adapter here on this spoon. We'll start on the rear. It's up on the center stand. Use your body weight. Makes it so much easier. Take two on doing these tyres. So the other one unfortunately overheated. GoPro overheated, so it turned off. So here we go again. I'm going to do it on the front tyre this time. Hopefully it'll stay on for the whole time. No one ever shows you doing the front tyres. They always show you doing the rear tyres because the front tyres are mongrels. They are so much harder to do. Right, let's have a look. Valve off, valve cap off. Tube nut off. Take the core out. Bit of stuff doesn't work. Now you don't need the machine. I've just got the machine here to lift the wheel up off the ground. You could use a couple of logs. You don't need it, okay? Yeah, just making that point. Alright, so here we go with our friendly bead breaker again, which I don't really need either. I can just do that because I don't have a bead to break. Here, I just want to make sure the tyre actually goes down into that part of the rim. Flip him over. I know GoPros have an issue with overheating. It's just stinking hot, so I don't blame them. Okay, let's find that friendly valve. Here it is. Alright, so we're going to just very gently put the two spanners in there. I'd love to just take one spanner with me. I would love to do that. So, you know, maybe just these ones and not my big ones. So I'm going to have a bit of a crack at this, just with these two. Now little bites, remember, and just be careful of the tube. This is already harder than the other side. It's still pretty easy though. Being a bit gentle because I want to look after my rims. I love my gold rims. Even though they've got a few scratches on them. Hey, it's an all-terrain vehicle. It's supposed to have scratches on it. Okay, get the tube out the way. Get it out the way. I can probably put that core back in. Done. I do have this on the bike. I'll find a spot, just hook it up over the rim. There you go, nice. Now I'd normally use that big one there that's got the little indent in it. Let's try without and see how successful I am. Yeah, no. Well, it's still going to be a challenge. Here we go. Especially when it falls off. As I said, this is the non-pros way of doing it. This is old mate backyard doing it. Okay, There we go. Okay, so I have got this rim protector in place. I have the spanner. Okay, so we're there again. Over here. Here we go. Gently. This is when the real one just falls. There we go. The front one doesn't fall off. Prep the tyre. That'll go on here first. Yeah, keep that away from the disc brake. And to make this easier, of course, I'll put a bit of air in it. Okay, a little bit of air. Nice. Alright. Okay. Down she goes. I'm just putting that one side, which is the other side, on first. Come on. Sneak that up in there without scratching the rim. Little bites, remember. Little bites. Okay. That's got one side on. Now let's double check. The tube's in the right place. The dot's at the tube. That's where it needs to be. Okay, I'm going to start here. A bit of that tyre on. Maybe it goes on here. Okay. First one I tried to use the Bead Buddy, so let's see how she goes, eh? Alright, little bites. Little bites. Normally I just jump on the tyre itself. I might just release all the air that's in the tube now. It could be helping me or stopping me actually. That doesn't work enough in there. Okay. Right, little bites. Now I did see a video where they didn't push it all the way over, they only pushed it to there. Then they got the next one in there and like went to there. And they got the next one in there, like that. So it was little bites and it was slow. It wasn't rushing it. So you didn't end up with a black eye. Okay, a little bite. Tell you what, that Bead Buddy is worth its weight in gold. Absolutely. Oh, look at that. Usually I have to actually stand on that tyre and do that. Motion Pro Bead Buddy, you rock. Okay, that's it. Let's pump him up. Now again, I didn't use the machine at all, except for just lifting it up off the ground.